Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2024 F150. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change required light after an oil change. So once you turn the ignition on, you're going to see this message, oil change required. So we're going to use these buttons over here, up, down, OK, and menu. So first we're going to press OK to clear all these messages. Then press the menu button. Go down, vehicle maintenance, press OK, oil life, and then press and hold the OK button. Alright, light should be reset to 100%. You can go back, turn it off, cycle the ignition, turn the ignition on one more time. Clear the hood message, and no more oil change required message. So very simple procedure. No special tools are needed, just in case you did your own oil change or somebody else did it and forgot to reset it. Easy to do. Hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.